My name is Aila and I'm the Madison Fire Department's first pathway intern. This internship is a paid 2-year program consisting of a 40-hour work week where you get to learn the ins and outs of the fire service while also earning your associate's degree in fire science from Madison College. I grew up in the Madison area and attended Madison Memorial High School. My interest in the fire service led me to join the Next Gen Academy, a fire and EMS early college program through Madison College. This is how I learned about MFD, the pathway internship, and what led me to where I am today. Some of my favorite things I've been able to do so far are rotate around to all of the stations, meeting the different crews around the city, and participating in station life, trainings, and joining on calls. I've learned about the special teams, worked with aerial ladders and other rigs and equipment, and even got to assist on the structure fire call. I'm looking forward to welcoming the next interns and helping them through this process. Do you think that could be you?